students. In your math magic book, in this book series, next one chapter 12th one, give and take, page number 90. See this picture here. Kinnari sells 3 beds in the bazaar and she sells loose here 3 beds and 1 necklaces of these 10 beads each. Then Rajia wants here 12 beads, so this Kinnari gives here 1 this necklace and 2 loose beads. You see here beads 12 and here necklace of these 10 beads only 1. Again how many remain loose beads here? 2. Then next one given here Rima 17 beads, means you give here 1 necklace of these 10 beads and loose beads here 7 you draw here. Then next one see here this 24 means you draw here 2 necklace 10 20 and you draw here again these 4 loose beads. Then next one 35 means 30 and 5. 30 means here 10 beads 1 necklace, means 3 necklace you draw here and you draw here these 3 beads again. Then next one here 31 means here 3 necklaces of these 10 beads you draw here and in these loose beads only 1 you draw here. Then next one, how many beads are taken by Rajia and Rima together? How many beads are taken by Rajia and this Rima together? This how many beads here? 12 and here 17. These together beads here 29. Here Rajia, here see 12 means here 10 necklace of this 10 beads 1 and here 2. Rima this 10 necklace of this 1 and here 7 loose beads. Then 12 plus 7 you see here 12 and here 7. Then here 7 plus 2 9, in one number you add here 1 and together here 29. There are 9 loose beads, so I write 9 in this box. This loose beads here 2 and here 7 means total here 9. And 1 plus 1 2. Now take all these necklaces together and count. There are 2 necklaces, so I write here 2 in the box. And what if Reggie and Rima have 2 necklaces and 9 beads? 2 necklaces and 9 beads in all. Means that is right. Raji and Rima have 29 beads in all. In all how many beads here? 29. Then how many beads are taken by this Rajia and Sonu? Here Rajia taken here 12 means 10 beads of this 1 necklace and 2 loose beads. Then 35 Sonu taken here these 35 beads means 3 necklace of these 10 beads and here 5. Then you do here addition 5 in number you add here 2, 5 plus 2 7 and in 3 number you add here 1, 3 plus 1 4. 47 means they taken this Rajia and Sonu together how many beads here? 47. Then next one see here beads taken by this Rima and Arif. Rima taken here 17 and Arif taken here 24 and you write here addition of this 17 and 24. 17 plus 24. Then you see here in 4 number you add here 7 means 4 plus 7 11. Then you write here only 1 and you write here 1 carry. Again in 2 number you add here 1 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4. Means total number of beads of this taken this Rima and Arif how many? 41. I can do it very fast in this another way simple. If Arif gives 3 to Rima, Rima will give here 20 and Arif will give here 21. Means so 20 plus 21 is equal to 41. Then you how many beads do they have altogether? Here some numbers given and you write this addition. See here 1 7 and here 35. Then in 5 number you add this 7, 5 plus 7 12, 2 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 52. Then next one, see here 24 plus 12. This without carry addition, in two number you add this 4, 2 plus 4 6. In one number you add this 2, means 2 plus 1 3, 36. Then how many more beads? How many more beads here? You do this here subtraction. See this subtraction here, 35 minus 24, means in 5 number you subtract this 4, 5 minus 4 1. In 3 number you subtract this 2, means 3 minus 2 1. Means here answer is 11. Means Sonu has 11 more beads than Arif. Arif has here 24 and Sonu has here 35. Then Sonu has 11 more beads than Arif. Then next one, see here, Arif has here 24 and Rajia has here 12. Then Arif has dash more beads than Rajia. 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 12. Means here Arif has 12 more beads than Rajia. Then see this carry, this borrowing subtraction here. How many more beads does this Simar have than Rima? See here, Simar here have beads here 31. How many? 31. Minus, and this Rima has here 17. Then you do here subtraction of this borrowing here. One number is small, then you take here again 1, means here 11. 11 minus 7, 4. Then you take here one number, then here one number less, means you write here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Means 31 minus 17 is equal to answer 14. Then again one subtraction you see here. Here one number given, again one. 31 minus 17 is equal to 14. Then see next one, 23 minus 15. See here 3 number also less. Then you take here 1, 13, 13 minus 5, 8. Then here again one number less, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Means 23 minus 15 is equal to answer 8. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay.